good enough?
No, not in the sense that when a team's playing well, you'd expect him to score a lot of goals.
Up for grabs, Jurgen Klopp, and he chops it back around Ashley Young, and Firmino has the ball. Under Herrera, it's perpetual motion, the ball came into what? Robertson swings it in, a teasing ball. That's Romelu Lukaku, the flag's up on the near side, he went all the way in, and the flag was raised. Lukaku made an attempt to play the... United have conceded 6 goals from corners in the Premier League this season. Long-range effort here from as well through injury. And here's Firmino on his left foot. Has a go, it's a good effort. Diving to his left foot, De Gea. And here's Mane, United back in number, falls here to Fabinho. There's the shot, wasn't far wide, took a deflection on the way. Drops here for Firmino, excuse me. There's Fabinho, in the box it goes. Chance here for Liverpool, Sadio Mane! Without a goal in 8 games, what a time to break his scoring drought. A wonderful finish, and Liverpool deserve consecutive Premier League game. Keita, it's the 6th corner that Liverpool have earned in this first half. Here come United through Lukaku, the cross comes in, Alisson has built it, 1-1! Would you believe it, Jesse Lingard, in front of the cup. Only the 7th time Alisson has been beaten in the Premier League this season. What a howler on the big stage. Liverpool won, and out of nothing. And here's Mane in some space, he tries the curler. Daawo, nicely first time into the path of Herrera. Will have a go, it took a deflection, that was awkward. Finally, minutiae these days.
There has to be.
Here's Fabinho. Good drive, takes a deflection, spins away off Lindelof for another corner. The Lexus stoppage time is 2 minutes, and the flag is up. Excellent save by De Gea.
Yeah, he's definitely on
side here. Ball is inside the penalty area, he just nicks it past Van Dijk. Fabinho again. Cross takes a deflection. Sadio Mane, Ashley Young the defender again. Good-looking ball towards the back post, and Darmian. That was a vital for Firmino. Trickery, excellent footwork, shot away, De Gea with the save, and now Keita with the follow-up, and it's blocked away. What wonderful footwork from Roberto Firmino. Klein takes a deflection, that'll spin away for a corner kick. He's going to have a go. Taken quickly to Salah. Curls it to the back post. That's inviting. The header came in from Lovren. And the corner is a... Mane cuts it back. Van Dijk with the strike, and it spins away for another corner. He's done excellently. He's got room for a cross. It's a dangerous-looking ball in. Andrew Robertson with a fantastic clearance. Ashley Young curls it in. Alisson on his outside. Mane thought about the curler, went for it. Then Lingard is around Klein. Cross towards the back post for Fabinho. He goes for goal. It was a good... No one inside of the penalty spot. Mane with a bit of skill. There's the cross. Here's the chance. Takes a deflection. It goes in. A massive goal for Liverpool. The substitute Shaqiri off the underside of the crossbar. It may have taken a deflection, but it's a masterstroke from Jurgen Klopp. Yarada Shaqiri. Into the area goes to Firmino. Ooh, almost to Salah. Shaqiri again takes a deflection. 3-1. He's the magic man today. Yarada Shaqiri. And he's had all 3 points for Liverpool. And are the Reds heading back to the top of the...
Man till come with a dipper. Man till he's got that spinner. Nowadays can't tell who's the favour. Everyone claims they're a driller. Everyone claims they're a driller. Man till come with a dipper. Man till he's got that spinner. Nowadays can't tell who's the favour. Everyone claims they're a driller. Everyone claims they're a driller.